guys, good morning. You know where are we? With whom we are? With this crazy guy.
And as you know, we are here. So new season, new lot, new place, and muddies always. So do you want to know how many people we are taking? Raj, do you want to show them?
Yes.
Guys, muddies! And in the front also. Guys!
And we are going to KODACHADRI.
The morning you and I, it was a warning. I didn't know that someday you might find there was some meaning, but I didn't know that maybe time to time. Remember feeling that I was alright, but we're gonna be just fine. Maybe we'll see that sunshine.
See the camera. Come on, Sayan. How is that?
My group, obviously Josh is always high.
You and I, it was a warning.
There are ample leeches around you. Don't panic.
You might find there was some meaning, but I didn't know that maybe.
You take that. You want?
Start. Squeeze and rub.
If it's not working.
It will work, yaar.
And here we are.
Come on. Look at this trails.
See the trails. This is the real adventure. This is what we do in weekends.
How is the experience?
Awesome.
Awesome.
The morning you and I, it was a warning. I didn't know that someday you might find there was some meaning, but I didn't know.
Wow. Look at the forest sounds. Listen to the forest sounds, guys. It's just so amazing. There are a lot of leeches here. We are just hoping the sun comes out with every of our step. Look at this. And I am wearing a slippers, man.
As we go further and further, you can see that the trail is getting tougher and tougher. And you can see Raj here. And there's a whole bunch of muddies. And one more chotu buddy is there. You want to see?
Get back.
And so this is an awesome place to take a drone shoot, as you can see. And this is the time where we fly the drone. And Raj. And as you can see, our chopper is away. guys. Now see the trail. We will go amazing. What we are
Hey guys, we are almost 5 kilometers on the top of KODACHADRI hill. You can just see the view beyond me. Woo! People are climbing up. Look at there, my group mates. So, let's go. How is the experience? Good? Still a lot more to go. Hello people, we are finally at the top of KODACHADRI. It's still, there is a lot to walk.
lunchtime.
Lunchtime and it's still raining.
And you can see all muddies!
All the days.
Tired, exhausted.
It's raining. We are almost inside the clouds now. It's just raining so heavily. What are you doing?
I'm taking the video of this beautiful place. And it's amazing.
Look at this view, man. It's a fucking rain trekking, monsoon rain trekking.
We are drenching
This guy is totally drenched
and shivering.
and shivering.
all about.
Look at this. This is crazy. What is that?
As you can see, searching for birds, sucking for birds.
Wait. Cyan! What's up?
We are into the clouds.
Into the clouds. Look at this, man. Wow. Look at the white horizon, man. Shit. And these are the people coming here. How are you feeling, Manjunath? Great. Buddy.
As usual.
So tired. circumstances, these trekkers are unfit to continue the trekking. Bye bye.
You are great. Give it to him.
Bye bye.
Enjoy morning.
Unfit trekkers. Hey guys.
Here Raj and Sayan again. We are with MUDDIE TRAILS and we came to know that we are just 2 kilometers away from the KODACHADRI highest peak. So as you can see there, all the people started.
Just few minutes.
We are going to reach the peak of KODACHADRI. Till then, keep you updated.
We are lost. This way or this way or this way. So some people are going this way. Let's go. What like this?
Hey guys,
Hello.
as I said that you are expected to reach KODACHADRI top peak point. I can see that we are already reached.
This is what we call as the peak of KODACHADRI, and there is a mandap here, and
We successfully completed the
just
trek.
full of clouds. We are inside the clouds, above the clouds, right?
Absolutely. Anything you can say, buddy?
So finally we have completed the trek.
Satisfied.
Yes. KODACHADRI trip is not yet over.
Now the bumpy jeep ride.
With the epic jeep ride.